Hello my friends, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this gorgeous centerpiece. This centerpiece is perfect for weddings or birthday or any special event. This video is a collab with Totally Dazzled, and they provided me with this beautiful gold roll bling wrap, their brooches, and their napkin rings. I will have all the information in the description box in case you are interested in purchasing the bling wraps or the brooches, napkin rings, and other beautiful items that they have on their website. So check the description box for that information. And if you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, because here for this year I'm gonna have a lot more beautiful centerpieces and other ideas for you to try. I'm going to start by decorating my vase that I got from Dollar Tree with this gold rose bling wrap. I'm also going to be using silver bling wrap. And so I'm going to start by gluing 16 rows of the gold rose bling wrap at the bottom of the vase, and then on top of that I'm going to be adding 6 rows of the silver bling wrap, and then on top of that I'm going to be adding another 16 rows of the gold bling wrap. I'm also going to be using this beautiful brooch, which is also from Totally Dazzled, and I'm going to use it to decorate my vase. So for this I'm going to be using my hot glue, but feel free to use a stronger glue. Now I'm going to decorate these 2 candlestick holders, and to do that I'm going to use 4 rows of the gold rose bling wrap, and I'm going to glue it on the top of the candlestick holder. Next, on one of the candle holders, I'm going to add a single row to the gold rose bling wrap to the bottom, and for this I'm also going to be using my hot glue, but if you want the hot glue to adhere very strongly, I suggest cleaning the candlestick holder and the vases with alcohol. Now I'm going to take my two candlestick holders and glue them together. And again, for this I'm going to be using my hot glue, but I suggest for this part using a stronger glue like the E6000 or Gorilla epoxy glue. Okay, so now that my candlestick holders are glued together, I'm going to glue them to my vase. And again, for this I'm going to be using my hot glue, but you should use a strong glue like the E6000 or any other strong glue. And now to finish decorating my vase, I'm going to be using this beautiful silver brooch, and I'm going to glue it right here. But first I'm going to be removing the backing, and then I'm going to glue it to my vase. I love how it's turning out. It looks really beautiful. I also decided to add a single rose strip of the rose gold bling wrap right in between where the two candlestick holders meet. Next, I'll decorate these two candle holders the same way I decorated the other ones. Okay, so here they are. And to decorate them a little bit more, I'm going to use a 3-row square from the silver bling wrap. I'm going to turn it like in the shape of a diamond. I'm going to glue it here. I'm going to do the same to the other one, and I'm also going to add one to my vase. Okay, so let me show you what they look like. I hope you can see this. And there is my little boy. He's a little rascal. He just wants to be in the camera. But look how beautiful this looks. Okay, so next I'm going to be using one of these trays. They come 4 in a pack. You can get this from Dollar Tree. But you only need one, because this is what I'm going to be using to create my floral arrangement that is going to go on top of the vase. So now I'm going to be using this floral foam to fill in my vase. I'm going to be cutting it so that I can fit it in there, and I'm leaving the plastic on it, that way it's less of a mess. I'm going to be cutting more pieces of this other foam to fill my tray, and once I have all the pieces, I'm going to glue the pieces with hot glue to make sure they are secure inside the tray. Okay, I finished gluing my foam. Now I'm going to be using the 6-row rose gold strip that I'm going to use to decorate my tray. I'm just going to glue it all the way around with my hot glue gun. Okay, now to make my floral arrangement, I'm going to be using some of these roses, some Queen Anne lace, some lilac, and all of these flowers are from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to start by adding 1 flower right in the center, and then the rest I'm going to go on the outer layer all the way around, covering all the outside of the foam. Then I will continue adding more flowers until all the foam is completely covered. Okay, I just love, 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 love this. The flowers look so pretty. Okay, next I'm going to be taking these two round floral foams and I'm gonna use them to make the other flower arrangements. I'm just gonna take this candlestick holder, I'm gonna press it on the foam just to make like a dent on it. And then I'm gonna do that to both of them. And then I'm going to glue them with my hot glue. I'm just gonna add glue in there to secure my floral foam to the candlestick holders. Now, to cover the foam, I am going to decorate it with I'm gonna start with a 3-row strip of the rose gold bling wrap, and then as I go down, I'm gonna be cutting 2 row strips because the top of the foam is wider than the bottom, so it's easier for me to cover the whole thing using 2 row strips. All right, let me show you what it looks like. I make sure that the bling wrap is nicely tight and glued very nicely in there. And now to add a little more decoration to this, I'm gonna use this silver brooch and I'm just gonna glue it right here. Before I glue my brooch, I'm gonna make sure that where I have the decoration here in the front, I make sure to align it to that because that's going to be the front of my flower arrangement. Now to continue, I'm going to add a flower right in the middle of the foam, and then I'm going to continue adding more flowers all the way around until I cover the entire foam. Now, how gorgeous is this? It looks so beautiful and it even looks very expensive, and you can make a beautiful centerpiece with a few dollars. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars. Now I want to add 2 votive candles, but I don't want to have them displayed, so I'm going to decorate them with some of the rose gold bling wrap and 2 rows of the silver bling wrap. Looks cute. Now remember to use a strong glue when gluing the bling wrap to the votive candles. Now I'm going to glue my big flower arrangement on my vase. I'm just going to add some hot glue to the bottom of my vase, and then I'm just going to glue that right on top. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some of this crystal clear acrylic garlands, and I'm just going to add some of these. This one has about 3 links and the long ones has 6 links, and I'm just gonna hook them up to the my bling wrap. And this acrylic garlands, they have these loops. Let me show you this little round loop, which gonna make it really easy for me to hook it up to the bling wrap. Let me show you what it looks like. I use these long ones which has 6 links, and the short one has 3 links, and I use 4 of the long ones and 3 of the short ones. And now I'm going to put the whole centerpiece together, and I'll show you how the final product looks like. Now look how gorgeous the centerpiece turned out. It's absolutely beautiful. It is perfect for a wedding, a birthday, any special event. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, you can get the bling wrap and the brooches and the napkin rings from Totally Dazzled, and I will put a link in the description box, so if you're interested in get it, check it out and you can buy it from there. Alright my friends, this is all for now. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and share with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, because I have a lot more videos coming up where we can create beautiful DIYs together. Have a nice day.